Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Morbark Supply Company. Today I have for you a Morbark 2400 Hurricane chipper. This chipper belongs to a customer of ours. He's downsizing some things in his operation of what he was doing. Has a hydraulic jack, hydraulic yoke. Chipper has a Perkins 4-cylinder turbo in it. Very nice chipper, runs and works good. Cosmetically, I mean, it's been painted and going over. He spent a pile of money. He just put all new blades, bed knives, or beds for the knives in. He had bought this off a Morbark dealer. Chipper showing 972 hours. We'll show you here. 972. Oh, push that. Go ahead and turn the camera. It's nice and we're going to fire it up, engage everything. Stop. It's really just slowly winding down. That's a lot of chipper. For everybody to know that, it's a lot of chipper. It's a big machine. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Check our website, morbarksupplyco.com. Check us out at Tractor House Machinery Trader on eBay at Morbark Supply 88. It's freezing cold. We've had enough for the day. Have a great day. If you have any questions, give us a call.